Congratulations on the purchase of your DeLonghi Pump Espresso machine. Let's get ready to set it up for its first use. Carefully remove the machine from all packaging. Take out the manual and any literature from the top. Remove all accessories from the protective packaging. Carefully remove any tags or protective tape. The accessories which have been included are single and ESC filter basket, double filter basket, and scoop. Plug in your machine and turn it on. Fill the water tank with fresh, cold water. Close the lid to the water tank. Select the on-off and allow the machine to heat up the water. After a few seconds, the green OK light will come on. Attach the empty filter holder, fitted with any filter basket, to the boiler outlet by connecting and turning securely to the right. Remove the drip tray and place a suitably large cup under the outlets. Select coffee hot water and allow the hot water to flush through the system. When the green light goes off, switch back to on-off to stop delivery. This process should be repeated several times to ensure that the system is fully primed and the machine is ready to deliver fresh espresso drinks. Remove the cup and replace the tray. Your machine is now ready for normal use.
With sleek Italian design, a patented frothing system, and a built-in professional quality grinder, the Magnifica Super Automatic Espresso machine from DeLonghi is an incredible combination of style and performance. It all starts with the beans. The integrated conical burr grinder gives you the freshest taste possible, since what you grind is what you brew. Choose the settings you want, then brew instantly for exquisite crema and unsurpassable flavor. The quality stainless steel piped double boiler means there's no wait between espresso and steam. And the unique frothing system includes a special chamber that mixes steam and milk to create rich, creamy drinks every time. There's an instant reheat function, so you're always ready to brew. Adjustable spouts to fit your cup of choice. An automatic shutoff for safety, plus an automatic indicator light to let you know when it's time to decalcify the machine. And the patented compact brewing system is easily removable for convenient cleaning. It's so easy to use. All you really have to do is sit back and enjoy the performance, convenience, and exquisite flavor of the Magnifica Super Automatic Espresso machine from DeLonghi.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.